So, what exactly is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool by Microsoft. It allows you to take raw data from different sources like Excel, databases, or cloud services and turn it into interactive dashboards and reports. In simple words, Power BI helps you connect to data from multiple sources, transform and clean that data, visualize it through charts, graphs, and dashboards, and finally, share insights across your team or organization. Now, why should you learn Power BI? Because data is everywhere and companies need professionals who can analyze it and present it clearly to support decision making. By knowing Power BI, you can open doors to opportunities like data analyst, analyzing business trends and building reports, business intelligence analyst, creating dashboards to guide strategy, consultant, helping organizations set up and optimize Power BI as a, for example, Power BI developer, or even enhancing your current role. Because managers and professionals who know Power BI often stand out and grow faster in their careers. Today, Power BI is one of the most in demand skills worldwide in the fields of analytics, business, and IT. Whether you want a promotion, a new career path, or to add more value in your current role, learning Power BI is a great investment in your future.